Good morning, students. Now I am going to discuss the topic about atomic vectors in R programming. What is R programming? R programming is a language for statistical computing and graphics that can be used to clean, analyze, and graph your data. It is an open source language that is widely used as a statistical software and data analysis tool. It comes with a command line interface, so easy to use. Our available platforms are Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. What is atomic vector? It is an vector. It's just a simple vector of data. You have already made an atomic vector, the die object. Atomic vector by grouping same values of data, that is, die refer to the vector values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will print the die. We get the answer double hashtag 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if the vector is the given vector is die or not, we can check is function is dot vector of die. So the die is a vector, the is function returns the true, otherwise returns the false. Make an atomic vector with just one value. So R saves single values on atomic vector. Example, 5 refers to 5. FIV is a object. Thus that object refers to value 5. Double hash, it is a hashtag operator which is used to print the output. Start vector of 5 returns the true. So the 5 object is a vector type. Length of 5 is return the output value is 1. We can check the die of the length is only 6 values. So we return the length of die is 6. Length returns the length of an atomic vector. Already we know each atomic vector stores its values as a one-dimensional vector, and each atomic vector can only store one type of data. Here are recognized 6 basic types of atomic vectors such as doubles, integer, character, logical, complex, and raw. All of you know doubles, integer, character, logical, complex are is a data types. All of you very well known. Doubles. A doubles vector stores regular numbers. The numbers can be positive or negative, large or small, and have digits to the right of the decimal place or not. So all the numbers system is under the doubles. In general, R will save any number that you type in R as double. Example, tie refers the tie value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will print the type. We can get answer 1 2 3 4 5 6. Usually know what type of object you are working within R. You can ask R what type of object an object is using the help of type of function. So type of function within the parenthesis just mention the object name. We can get a object type. So that is return the tuple. Tuple is a computer science term. It refers to the specific number of bytes your computer uses to store a number. Next, integer. Integer vector stores integer numbers that can be written without a decimal component. Only one difference between the integer and double. Double have a decimal part, but integer don't have a decimal component. Specifically, create an integer in R by typing a number followed by an uppercase L. Example, int refers to the vector hyphen, it means -1 capital L, 2 capital L, 4 capital L. Int which returns the value -1 to 4. -1 to 4 is the integer numeric value. So we can check that value is integer or not using the type of functions. Next one is character. A character vector stores small piece of text. You can create character vector in R by typing a character on string of character surrounded by quotes. Example, text refers to the vector C within double parenthesis and then within parenthesis and within double quotation mention the word hello comma world. Just print, we can get an answer. Double hash, already I told double hash is a display operator, that is output operator. It is used to display the output within double quotation hello and world. The same thing, type of operator returns the which type of object we can use. Note one thing, a string can contain more than just letters. And then logical operator vector. Logical vector store true and false. It is a form of Boolean data. Logical are very helpful for comparisons of objects or numbers or anything. 3 less than 4, which returns the false. Anytime we can use true or false in capital letters. All will treat your input as logical data. R also assumes that T and F are shortened for true and false. So, logical vector refers to the true, false, true. So, we can get the answer true, false, true. Type of logic returns the logical. So, the vector type is logical. And then complex and raw. Double, integer, character and logical are the most common type of atomic vectors in R. R also recognize two more types, that is complex and raw. Complex vector store complex numbers, that is complex refers to the vector I plus 1i, comma I plus 2i, comma I plus 3i. It is the complex vector. So, we can get the output I plus 1i, I plus 2i, I plus 3i. Type of operator returns the type of the vector. So, returns the complex. And the last one is raw vector. Raw vector stores raw bytes of data. Making a raw vector gets complicated, but can make an empty raw vector of length n. So, we can use raw of n. Raw of 3 returns the only empty vector. So, hashtag 000000. Type of, we can check the given value is raw data or not. We can use type of function, type of raw of 3. So, will returns the raw. Thank you.